tail. That's great. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
The monster attack.
Maybe that's it.
I didn't want this, but anybody want to wait 7 hours for? Maybe he can do like more. Draw a picture of me.
Wow, you also have something retro.
Make it that. Yeah. We built fairy tales from no working drawings. It's all sketches or
Is there anywhere to go where we can go?
So that was my DesignerCon weekend 2023 in Anaheim. The last Dcon in SoCal. They're going to be moving to Vegas, but these are my pickups, and let's go over every single individual one of these Sofubis that I picked up this weekend. So this is a piece here released by Unbox Industries from Mutant vinyl hardcore. And this was a must grab for me this year at Dcon. As you can see there, they got the license to Dario Argento. And so this is from the movie Demoni or Demons, which wasn't directed by Dario Argento. But it looks really cool though. Like, this was like the #1 on my list of what to grab at Dcon. So I thought this looked fucking mad sick. And of course, you know, I was able to snag one up on the first day on Friday. And here he is, so you guys can check that out. You know, really cool. That look badass. Next on the list here, also from Dario Argento. This is another one that I had to fucking get. This was at the Creature Bazaar Creature Vision screening there, Deep Red. And this is the puppet for the movie Deep Red. This was from Headlock Studios, released by Unbox Industries. And he's glow in the dark. And if I zoom out, you know, you're not going to really see him that well. But he's glow in the dark. And, you know, Headlock Studio is just one of those toys that everyone is, like, after. So I'm glad I got one. But such a cool piece, and I'm glad I got them. So I got my #1 and my #2s. Everything else this weekend at Dcon was just cherry on top. And here's some more stuff that I got this weekend here from Creature Bazaar. Some more. You can't really tell on this one. If you want to watch my my 4K video and not this camcorder high 8 video, he's like a really, really neon bright pink. So you can check that out if you want to go watch that other video if you want. But yeah, this is Mexican vinyl, and you know me being Mexican, I had to fucking support and get one of these here. It's some of the coolest vinyls out there. So then you got Creature Kid. He's like this pirate matchup, and he has like this, you know, creature arm. He has this metal arm, a robotic leg, kind of like a Wolfman leg. So I thought that was pretty cool. Then you got this Kang, Headlock Studios, also a glow-in-the-dark figure. There, that's the Dcon exclusive version, or the Creature Vision version. And yes, he was wearing this outfit there the day of the screening. And that's such a cool 3-pick. I wish I could have picked up more, but, you know, obviously I couldn't. So I'm happy with these 3 pickups here. This is from the Creature Bazaar guys and the Creature Bazaar booth. Next up here is from one of my favorite toy makers ever. I'm talking about Black Book Toy, and this is Punk Rock Boy grown-up version. This is like 3 times the size of the original one, and I had to get it plain black. They had one-offs there, but I figured I'll buy a blank one so I can paint. But look how badass that is. You don't see toys like that out here. Really cool. Punk Rock Boy. Then you got Chomp Studios here, this ice cream character here. And this is glow in the dark. Of course, I'm a sucker for glow in the dark. Looks badass, you know. Obviously, this camcorder doesn't do it justice. But, you know, if you want to look at better views, you can look at the 4K video that I also released here. And this is from the homie Swarm Cod. This is the Kaiju Cruiser. We've been waiting a long time for this. It's finally out. We got him. And got him in a really hot neon pink. Camera, again, doesn't do it justice, but it's a neon pink. And he also came with some grip tape, so I can put some grip tape there in the back there. Black colored grip tape to go with it, so that'd be kind of fun to mess around, paint, and see what kind of designs I can get with the grip tape there. So yep, these are 3 more of the pickups that I got there from Dcon. And last but definitely not least, got this at the Mile High Sofubi booth. This is The Bastard by Purgatory, and he's like a punk rock looking character. Really cool. I bought one last year and I painted him, and it came out so sick that I fucking had to get another one. I'm glad they had some. And I was going to get just a regular black, but this one glows in the dark. So I picked this one up for sure. Can't wait to like paint this and see what I can come up with. And then also here we got this pug. This reminded me of my sister and my nephew's dog, Goku. I said that in the other video, but this is really cool. Hope you guys see. Really cool pug. You know, I like crazy shit like that, and I can't wait to paint him. So But yeah, that is it, you guys, for these. And that is it, you guys, for this this year's DesignerCon video. Hope you guys enjoyed the walkthrough of the con. It was smaller this year, but it was expected because it's the last one. But these are my pickups. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this high 8 video. If you didn't, well, fuck you. Wasn't for you. There's 2 different videos, so if you want to check out the 4K one, there's another video of the 4K version of this video, or a little bit different. But anyway, or check out both, who cares? But if you're new to this channel, you guys hit that subscribe button right now. I appreciate it, you guys. Follow me on Instagram at Hack'emFigures. There I do toy photographies and mini toy reviews. And that is it. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you hated this video, if you loved it. You know, did you go? Did you pick one up? You know, if you're in Vegas, make sure you guys go check it out next year. And that is it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll catch you motherfuckers on the next one. So peace the fuck out. Peace. I'm out of here. Bye. Later. I'm out.